A very good morning to all of you. Where there is a will, there is a way. With this outstanding thought, let's start the very first chapter of physics, that is electricity. So, when it comes to the meaning of this word electricity, what is electricity? What goes in our mind is बिजली. But क्या इतना सा ही मतलब है इस word का? No, it's actually very elaborative. So let's start with what is electricity. Electricity is just a form of energy. Some people must be thinking, what is meant by this word energy? Energy is ability to do work. That is, if we are having some capacity to do the work, we will say that we are having energy. Electricity is a man-made source of energy which is derived from renewable and non-renewable sources. When it comes to the exact meaning of this word electricity within scientific terms, we can split the word electricity into two, that is electric plus city. This thing you don't have to write in an examination because ये सिर्फ आपके concepts को clear करने के लिए है. As कोई notation किसी भी बुक में ये चीज given नहीं है कि हम इलेक्ट्रिसिटी को स्प्लिट करते हैं. It's just an imaginative thought ताकि आपको समझने में आसानी हो. When it comes to electricity हमने दो पार्ट्स में डिवाइड किया, इलेक्ट्रिक प्लस सिटी. अब इलेक्ट्रिक वर्ड का मतलब होता है इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज. इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज को डिटेल में हम पढ़ेंगे आगे. सबसे पहले आपको पता होना चाहिए प्रोटॉन्स एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के बारे में, जिसको हम 9th क्लास में पढ़ चुके हैं. एक बेसिक रिकैप के तौर पे आई टेल यू, प्रोटॉन्स पॉजिटिव चार्ज होते हैं एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स आर नेगेटिव चार्ज. नाउ इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज आर द टाइप ऑफ चार्जेस दैट इज पॉजिटिव ऑल्सो एंड नेगेटिव ऑल्सो. जब हम सिटी की बात करते हैं, सिटी को हम समझाएंगे एक छोटी सी स्टोरी के फॉर्म में. हम सब ने शक्तिमान देखा होता है. उसमें यू मस्ट हैव सीन कि जब शक्तिमान का एपिसोड स्टार्ट होता है, शक्तिमान इस पोस्ट के अंदर ही यूज्ड टू स्टैंड ओवर अ बिल्डिंग और वो नीचे स्टेयर करता है. नीचे हमें क्या दिखाई देता है कि सारे व्हीकल्स एक पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन में मूव कर रहे हैं. तो ये स्टोरी आपके दिमाग में याद रहनी चाहिए. और जब भी इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का मतलब आना चाहिए, उसमें सिटी वाले वर्ड का मतलब क्या होता है, मूविंग इन अ पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन. तो जब हम इलेक्ट्रिक और सिटी को कंबाइन करते हैं तो हमें क्या एक सेंटेंस फ्रेम हुआ कि इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज इज मूविंग इन अ पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन व्हिच कॉन्स्टिट्यूट्स इलेक्ट्रिक करंट और वी कैन सी व्हिच कॉन्स्टिट्यूट्स इलेक्ट्रिसिटी. नाउ लेट्स कम टू दिस पर्टिकुलर टॉपिक दैट इज इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज. इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज आपको बताया था इज ऑफ टू टाइप्स, पॉजिटिव एंड नेगेटिव, दैट इज प्रोटॉन्स एंड इलेक्ट्रॉन्स. Within the boundaries of 10th class syllabus, हम ये मान के चलते हैं that electrons are the only carrier of electric current. Means what? कि इलेक्ट्रॉन के मूवमेंट की वजह से ही इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस होती है. अब इलेक्ट्रॉन्स ही मूव, like why do only electrons move? Why not protons? This reason is a very basic reason which you must have read in 9th class, the theory of Niels Bohr. Nucleus is present in the center of an atom and proton is embedded in it and electrons revolve around the nucleus. As protons are embedded inside the nucleus, they are not free to move in comparison to the electrons which are present in the shells or orbits of an atom. It means what? Electrons are free to move, so we say that electrons are the carrier of charge which constitutes electricity. Clear? Let's discuss about the characteristics of charge. Very basic characteristic of charge is positive. Like you can say, like charges will repel each other and unlike charges will always attract each other. Charges are transferred in discrete packets and are quantized. बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट सा वर्ड है ये, बहुत ही डिफिकल्ट सा सेंटेंस है इनफैक्ट, बट समझने में मतलब एकदम सिंपल. जस्ट लुक एट, चार्जेस हमेशा पैकेट्स के फॉर्म में ट्रांसफर होते हैं. इन पैकेट्स के अंदर देयर आर सम ग्रुप्स ऑफ चार्जेस एंड this group of charges is said to be discrete. What is meant by this word discrete? Discrete word का मतलब होता है integer form. Means if this is packet number 1, this is packet number 2 and this is 3. In the very first packet, if there are 2 charges, second packet में 3 भी हो सकते हैं, 4 भी हो सकते हैं, third packet again 2 or 3, something like that. But values क्या जा रही है group of charge की? They are integers. They are not in decimal. So we can say that charges are transferred in discrete packets and are quantized. The meaning of this whole statement is this one. The formula is Q is equals to plus minus NE. We'll write it in more elaborative form. Q is amount of charge which is transferred. इसको आप small q से भी represent कर सकते हो. Then positive and negative. Positive sign is for protons. If in question protons की बात की जा रही है, तो formula will become Q is equals to Ne. To make you more understand, protons की बात हो रही है, तो formula is this. And when it comes to electrons, the same formula becomes Q is equals to minus Ne. Why is it so? Because charge on electron is negative and on proton is positive. So, amount of charge is plus minus. What is N here? N is the number of electrons or protons about which question is talking about. Multiplied by E. What is the value of E? E is actually what is E? It is charge on an electron, the value of which is fixed, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb is the value of this E. So we can say, to make it more easier, we can write like this: plus minus n into 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. When it comes to what is चार्ज, हम आपको बता चुके हैं. इलेक्ट्रॉन्स की बात करते हैं. फिजिक्स में डिफरेंट फिजिकल क्वांटिटीज हैव देयर SI यूनिट्स. SI यूनिट ऑफ चार्ज इज इट्स कूलम, which is denoted by capital C. So the answer you will get here, the value of Q you will have to express in terms of coulomb, because it is the amount of charge transferred. Depending on this, we are going to solve a particular question. Question is, how many electrons are there in 1 coulomb of charge? So, first, while solving numericals, we will have to write given. What is given is 1 coulomb of charge. It means the value of Q is given here, that is 1 coulomb value. Now, how many electrons are asked? Question किसके बारे में है? About electrons. तो by default आपके दिमाग में क्या आ जाना चाहिए? Q is equals to minus Ne. This formula you have to put because electrons are talked about. How many electrons means they are asking about number. E की value is fixed, that is 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulomb. We will be solving for the value of N is equals to Q upon E. कैसे आया? क्योंकि Q is equals to Ne, that is of negative. N is equals to minus Q upon E. While solving, you will get 1.6 into 10 to the power minus 19. It will go up. Minus 1 into 10 to the power 19. 1.6. You will be solving like this. You will be getting 10 to the power 20 upon 16. To make it more easier, what we can do? This form. To solve it, we had cut 16. That is 16 ones are 16. 16 6 are 96. As we are taking it approximately, हमने सीधे 16 को 6 से कट किया है, आंसर विल बी -6 into 10⁻18 electrons. अब because number is being asked, we are solving the question for the number. Number can never be negative, तो हम यहाँ से नेगेटिव साइन हटा देंगे and we will write that number of electrons are 6 into 10⁻18. ये क्वेश्चन एक अराइज होगा बच्चों के दिमाग में कि मैम ने बोला था कि इलेक्ट्रॉन्स के लिए नेगेटिव लगाना है एंड प्रोटॉन्स के लिए पॉजिटिव लगाना है, तो यहाँ नंबर पे हमने नेगेटिव क्यों हटाया? बिकॉज हम नंबर को कभी भी नेगेटिव इंटीजर वैल्यू के फॉर्म में लेके नहीं जाते. मैं क्लास में हमेशा ये बोलती हूँ कि मेरी क्लास में 20 बॉयज हैं या 20 गर्ल्स हैं. मैं कभी ये नहीं बोलती कि -20 बॉयज हैं या -30 गर्ल्स हैं. सो this value of 1 coulomb is equals to 6 into 10⁻18 electrons we had got from the numerical we had done just before, and this statement is written in your NCERT book जो कि वहीं से आया है. Because we are not here to mug up things, we are here to understand the concept. So 1 coulomb is equals to 6 into 10⁻18 electrons. एक coulomb के अंदर इतने electrons होते हैं. Let's start with other topic, that is current. Now, what is current? Current is rate of flow of charge. Again, charge से हम कह सकते हैं flow of electrons. So we can write current as, definition of current is rate of flow of charge. Whenever this word rate comes, it means what? Divided by time. Flow of charge. What is this flow of charge? Flow of charge is the value of Q, that is transfer of charge, and this notation of current is represented by a symbol I. That is current is equal to Q upon T. Q is the amount of charge that is transferred and time is, that is rate. Time denotes the rate. What is the SI unit of charge? Coulomb. And what is the SI unit of time? Seconds. When we combine this whole unit, that is, it will be coulomb per second. Coulomb divided by second. जिसको हम combine करके we used to relate with a single SI unit, and that is ampere. It is ampere. Current की SI unit is ampere. What is ampere? जब charge को we used to take as coulomb and time को we take as second, the current is expressed in terms of ampere. Sometimes one more question comes in examination. What is 1 ampere? 1 ampere is when charge transferred is 1 coulomb, and for how much time? 1 second. That is, what is 1 ampere? 1 ampere is that current which flows when charge transferred is 1 coulomb and is transferred for how much time? For 1 second. 1 ampere तब कहा जाता है जब 1 coulomb charge transfer होता है कितनी देर में? Only in 1 second. तब कहा जाता है current is 1 ampere. SI unit of current is ampere. That is represented by capital A. There is a difference between notation and SI unit, because sometimes people get confused that what is I and what is A. Capital A, that is ampere, is the SI unit of current, and capital I is the notation by which current is being expressed. One more formula of current can be derived as I is equals to Q upon T. We have discussed just now. We have discussed before that Q is also equal to plus minus NE. So we can directly relate current with this formula also. We can also say I is equals to plus minus NE upon T. So sometimes in examination a question comes in which current is given in terms of microampere or milliampere. 1 microampere, it is 1 microampere is equals to 10 to the power minus 6 ampere, and 1 milliampere is equals to 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. This particular portion is actually very easy, but the problem arises with students is they know which formula we have to put, but they get confused in this formula conversion. So let's do a numerical for it. Question is, find the amount of charge transferred by 20 milliampere current in 2 hours. So first we have to write given. In the question, it's given current is 20 milliampere. It's given over here. Current is 20 milliampere. Even if this current is not given, one thing should be kept in mind. Milliampere, ampere means what? Current की बात हो रही है, तो I is equals to 20 milliampere. We cannot solve this question in terms of milliampere because we have to write each and every answer in terms of its SI unit. Current's SI unit is ampere. So we have to convert this milliampere in terms of ampere. 20 milliampere is 20 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. Why? Because 1 milliampere is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. So 20 milliampere will be equal to 20 into 10 to the power minus 3 ampere. Time is given here as 2 hours. Again, we cannot take time in terms of hours because we have to take it in the form of SI unit, and SI unit of time is seconds. We know that 1 hour is equals to 3600 seconds. So 2 hours will be equal to 2 multiplied by 3600 seconds. That is 7200 seconds. We know I is equals to Q upon T. That is Q is equals to I into T. Provided that I should be in ampere and time should be in seconds. I is in ampere, time is in seconds. We'll solve it and we'll get the answer as 144 coulomb, which is the value for the amount of charge transferred by 20 milliampere current in 2 hours. Emitter is a device which is connected in a particular circuit in series. Series means what? एक के बाद एक. Like bulb है और इसके just बाद या इससे just पहले अगर we start from this direction, emitter is connected. Emitter is a device which is used to measure how much current is flowing in a particular circuit. This is the symbol of emitter, in which emitter is having two terminals, that is two legs, one positive and the other one is negative. When emitter is connected in a particular circuit, one thing should be kept in mind that positive terminal of emitter should be connected to positive terminal of the battery, and negative terminal of emitter is connected to the negative terminal of the battery. This is what? This is the symbol of closed circuit. It is closed switch. Closed switch, or we can say not exactly a switch, it is a closed key. Closed key means what? Current is flowing, and current always flows from positive terminal of battery or cell to negative terminal. Current always flow from positive terminal to negative terminal. Emitter has low resistance. Low resistance means what? What is the meaning of this word resistance? Resistance, अगर हम कहते हैं कि for example a person's immune system is very strong, मतलब उसकी body बहुत resistant है. Resistant means उसको आसानी से he is not caught by diseases. Similarly, अगर किसी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक डिवाइस का रेजिस्टेंस बहुत ज्यादा होता है तो उसके अंदर करंट कम ट्रेवल करता है, मतलब एनलार्ज्ड वैल्यू में ट्रांसफर नहीं कर पाता, मिनिमाइज्ड वैल्यू में ट्रांसफर करता है. फॉर एग्जांपल हम इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं, करंट इंक्रीजेस, रेजिस्टेंस डिक्रीज. एमीटर का रेजिस्टेंस लो क्यों होता है? क्योंकि एमीटर का रेजिस्टेंस लो नहीं होगा तो उसके अंदर करंट ट्रांसफर कैसे करेगा? और एमीटर इज यूज्ड टू ट्रांसफर, एमीटर इज यूज्ड टू मेजर द अमाउंट ऑफ करंट. हम चाहते हैं फॉर नोइंग हाउ मच करंट इज entering in emitter, the value of resistance should be minimum, or we can say ideal emitter should have the least value, which is actually 0. So we can say as resistance of ideal emitter is 0, because जो ideal emitter होगा, जो best emitter होगा, वो maximum current को अपने अंदर से pass करा के which will give the accurate value. It is a series combination as two bulbs are arranged one after the other. See here, it's one bulb and the end of the first bulb is connected with the starting point of the other bulb. It means two bulbs are connected one after the other. It is a cell. A cell has one positive and one negative terminal. Like emitter is connected with electronic device in series, similarly these two bulbs are also connected in series. This demonstration is given to you just to make you understand what is meant by series combination.